first semester. So we're starting off with the first problem here, and this is called a mapping, if you remember. And in this mapping, A is going to 0 and A is going to 1. So if we start listing the coordinate pairs here, A0 and A1, we see that A, which is an input, is mapping to 0 and 1. So what does that tell me? That tells me that this is not a function, because every value in the domain, which is first, has to have go and map to exactly only one distinct place. So think about a snack machine. If you press one button, you're not going to get two things. So what's our domain here? And since this is a discrete function, we are just going to list them in a roster notation. So the domain is A, B, C, and D. The range are the corresponding output values. B goes to 2, C goes to 2, D goes to 2. So our range is in roster notation 0, 1, and 2. Function, no. Domain, A, B, C, D, range 0, 1, and 2. Next, given the points, find the equation of the line first in y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form, and then next in ax plus by equals c standard form. So what are we going to do first here? We are going to take these 2 points and we are going to find the slope. So slope formula, so that is -8 minus 12 over 6 minus 4. That is -20 over 2. That is a slope of -10. So it's a very steep line. Now, I like to call these problems the use it and lose it problem. So I am not going to pick that point because it is a negative. I'm going to go with 412. So you can really pick either one, but 412 is the easier one. This will be my x1. This will be my y1. I'm going to plug it in to the point slope form now. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So y minus 12 equals -10 times x minus 4. Distribute the -10. Y minus 12 equals -10x plus 40. Now, one last step to get it in slope-intercept form is to add 12 to both sides, and we get y equals -10x plus 52. So this is the equation of the line in first slope-intercept form. Okay, so that's our slope-intercept form. We want to go to standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. And remember, in standard form, a, b, and c must be integers. What does that mean? That means no fractions. No fractions. And then also A has to be positive. So let's take this slope-intercept form and let me rewrite it. Y equals -10x plus 52. We can take it to standard form in just one step by adding the 10x from the right-hand side over to the left-hand side. We end up with 10x plus y equals 52. And this is our standard form. So slope-intercept form, standard form.